Hey everybody, so this is the second video for e-commerce in MERN, and in the previous video we have saw that how to do a basic setup of client and server, like the backend and the front end. And in today's video we are going to be making the registration page of our e-commerce site using an React Bootstrap. So let's get started. Okay, so before implementing the registration page, I have made here two folders, that is like in the SRC folder, in the clients in SRC folder I have made two folders, that is components and pages. Now I will explain you the flow. So in the components folder, we are going to be adding or writing the code of those section that we are going to be repeating a lot. For example, the navbar, the footer. So these are going to be repeated a while, and in pages we are going to be adding those code that we are not going to be repeating. That, like for example, registration page, we are going to be using only one time, right? Then login page, it is also going to be only one time, and the home page, it is also going to be the one time. Okay, so this is how we are going to be maintaining the flow of our code, and this is the hierarchy that is also followed in the startups and the companies. So I will suggest you to follow this hierarchy. So now let's start making the registration page. So as we have decided that we are going to be using a React Bootstrap, so we have to install some of the packages. So come in the React Bootstrap and click over here, that getting started, and copy this line and paste in the client folder. So we have installed the packages, and now we have to also add one more line, that is the CSS. Copy this line and come in the main.jsx file, paste it over here. Now let's try to run our front end. So there's no error. So come in the browser and type localhost 5173. So we are getting our code. Okay. Now to remove this pre-built code, what we have to do is we have to come here. We have to make some changes in the file. So first of all, in the app.jsx, remove this section and also remove this. We don't need this. And in the app.css, remove the CSS. Same for index.css. And now we can make the registration page. So as I said, that registration page is only going to be the one time, so I will add it in the pages. Okay, so register.jsx, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a chat gpt. Okay, and I will use chat gpt to make the front end of the register page. So chat gpt provided me the code, and now let's copy it and paste it in the register.jsx. And now let's see what is the output that we are going to get. So here we can't see anything. Now why, I will let you know. So here in the register page we have made a new folder, right? And in that folder we have made a new page, that is like new file, that is register.jsx. Now how my React application is going to get that I have made a register page? So in the app.jsx I will have to mention that this is the registration page. So to do that we have to just import the registration page dot slash pages slash register. And now I have to just mention over here, this is the registration page, and we are done. Now we would be able to see the output. As you can see, we can see the output now. Now what is the advantage that we got by using the chat GPT and not writing the code by ourselves. First of all, it is responsive, okay? So in the mobile view also you can see the UI that it is responsive, okay? So this is the first advantage. Now second advantage is that it provided me with the validation. So for example, I fill this form and I don't mention this at the rate over here and click on register. It is saying me that that should be at the rate, right? And about the password, if we like don't write the similar passwords, it will give me the error. For example, I'm writing over here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here I will write 1 2 3 4 5 7. So as you can see, and now I will click on register. So as you can see, like it is giving me password do not match. So it saved our time for doing that responsive stuff and validation stuff. And the third advantage is that correct. Let me correct the password first. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if I click on the register button, now what will happen is it gave me all the details that I filled. So in our next video, we are going to be doing is the information that we are getting from the front end, we are going to be making a backend API for posting this data from front end to our database, that is MongoDB. So meet you in the next video. Till that time, bye.